Alright, so now we have our steak, and the wine is starting to bubble, and as are the fava beans. So we're going to start preparing the sauce for the fava beans. We're going to take a lemon, we're going to cut that in half. We're going to put a small strainer over a cup, and then we're going to squeeze. And the reason why we do this through a strainer is so that we can keep all of the seeds of the lemon out of our sauce. Alright, we're going to remove our beans, and we're going to strain them right through the same strainer, so that's going to give us a little bit of lemon flavor in it as well. Alright, we're going to return the pan to the heat. I'm going to flip this steak over just to make sure the flavor goes in on all the sides, and you can see it's starting to turn purple with the slices. We're going to cut a tablespoon of butter and melt that in our pan. We want to make sure that the butter goes all the way around. And when it's halfway melted, we're going to add our lemon juice. And we're going to add half a teaspoon of nutmeg.